Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, typically the slowest day of the week, but I'm still going to go out and do some gig work. My goal today, because it is a slow Wednesday, typically, I'm hoping to make $100. I have to be back home to go live on my other YouTube channel, my true crime channel. I'm going live at 8 p.m. tonight. So, it is almost 9 a.m., not quite 9, it's just like a few minutes till 9. I gotta stop and get gas. I already have Instacart running, I have Shipt running, I have Roadie running. Wednesday's a day to launch the whole arsenal. So, let's go get gas and let's go get going. And I ain't gonna lie, because it is chilly this morning. There's all kinds of dew on my windshield. It is like, well, my car says 63. Alexa says 58. I believe more is closer to just below 60 right now. It's gonna warm up. But, yeah, I'm feeling the chill this morning. And I'm surprised my interior is not soaked. So we did have rain. And what did I do? I left my, it wasn't completely open. It's like I keep calling it a sunroof, but it's a moonroof. And I can either lift it up, let it crack it where it goes up this way, or it'll slide all the way out. Well, I had it cracked because last time I was out, I figured, I'm gonna go back out. I don't want it to be an oven, a sauna when I get in my car. And I didn't go back out that day. I haven't been out. I haven't dashed all week. I think, did I do anything Sunday? I can't remember. But it was I didn't do anything Saturday. It's either Friday or Sunday was the last time I was out. And it was pretty, so I figured, well, I'm going to go back out. I'm going to just leave my moonroof open slightly. And what the hell is going on down here? I don't know what they're doing. They're always working on something on these roads. Everywhere you go. Roadie's got something coming up here. Delivery support, $7. Roadie is like garbage lately. So I haven't done a Roadie order in a long time, but I log in every so often just to make sure I don't lose my account. Anyhow, I don't think this is worth anything. Roadie doesn't even want to log in. Oh, here we go. What is it? Is it anything worth taking? Extra large, Walmart. One delivery for $23.98. Oh, there's a couple things on here. Oh, no, I'm not doing anything. Heaviest item, 148 pounds. Nope, we ain't doing that. $17.93. Another Walmart. 6 miles, extra large, 76-pound item. No, we're not doing that, even though the mileage is low. Okay, so there's a lot coming out of Walmart on Roadie for extra large items. No. We're closing Roadie. I know, this is a very long intro. I don't even know how long I've been talking. But let's go get gas. Okay, we got our gas. And as I was getting my gas, I got this shop and deliver on Walmart. It's only for 4 items. And it's less than 5 miles. I know it's only $11. Mileage works. Take me 5 minutes to shop this. It's all grocery. So let's roll. Took about 8 minutes. And that's because after I got the first 3 items, I had to go all the way to the other side of the store to the HBA pharmacy side to pick up 1 item. Let's go get this delivered. I tell you what, slow ain't the word for it. I've been okay, so I've only been sitting for 5 minutes, but it's been 15 minutes since I dropped off that last order. And all that's coming in is garbage. It's 10:02 a.m. right now. This is going to be a long day. And even on Walmart, everything is garbage. Instacart, everything is garbage. DoorDash is throwing me garbage. Of course, a couple of DoorDash orders that I declined was just barely over $1 per mile, but that wasn't round trip. That's why I declined them. So I still got round trip. You know, that's... And Uber Eats is throwing me trash. It is slow. Okay, I accepted this order on McDonald's. McDonald's is just on the other side of Walmart here. Not a great offer. But as I'm sitting there, I'm not making any money either. So I went ahead and took this order. My next offer, another DoorDash at Shop and Deliver. The miles look high because of how far away I am from the Giant Eagle. I am 14 minutes away, 7 miles away. So we're gonna go ahead and do this shop order. It's only 9 items. It shouldn't take me long at all to do the shopping. Wasn't worth it, but it's not that bad. But I tell you what, I think I shopped in that store one other time, but this time it's like right onto Turkey Town Road. Things weren't where they were supposed to be. And I just missed my turn.
Head southeast on Pennsylvania 31 East.
So I gotta turn around. I'm talking to you guys and not paying attention to the GPS.
Road. Then immediately turn left onto Turkeytown Road.
No shit, Sherlock. But yeah, I completely... Oh, shit. He came out of nowhere and there's a hill behind me.
Turn left onto Turkeytown Road.
There we go. Okay, so this order really wasn't totally worth it, but it's not as bad as what it seems, next to the fact that that store was horrible. I think I shopped in that store once or twice before on Instacart, not DoorDash. Instacart's a little bit better at telling you where shit is. This one was iffy. It was trying to get me to pick up the sauerkraut in the frozen department. No. But anyhow, we are 7 minutes away now from the customer. Let's go get this dropped off. Well, I just picked up this Instacart order. As soon as I drop this off, I'm 4 minutes from dropping this Giant Eagle order off. And I got another one at a different Giant Eagle, a better Giant Eagle. And I got to keep the money flowing. There we go. So, hopefully, order doesn't cancel on me before I drop this off. 3 minutes from the customer. This is it. I had to hunt all over the store for a few items that weren't where Instacart said they were. But despite that, Instacart was giving me 45 minutes to shop this. But this was a stacked order, a double order. And guess what? I did it in 45 minutes. That's why I love this cart. Order A, order B, just lifted them up. Neither one of them super heavy. But I love this cart, but make no mistake, there are limitations. Depends on how big your batch is. Okay, I couldn't record that drop off because she was outside on the porch waiting for her grocery order, and she's like, the last time she ordered, she's a new Instacart customer. Last time she ordered, yesterday I think it was, horrible experience, and then she had to reorder her stuff today. And she says, "You are a dream. You are wonderful. I'm going to give you 5+ stars." She goes, "I hope I can add you to my favorite shoppers." One of the things that she likes is the fact that I was in constant contact with her. I said, "Listen, this is out of stock. These are your options." So that was good. So now we are 13 minutes away from the next customer. Then after this, I'm probably going to take a lunch break. Note to self: avoid this road, take another route moving forward, because behind us is a bunch of construction. Sat for 5 minutes. Just happened to notice this. Had a couple little pit stops from eating lunch and stuff, and I need to go make a potty break. But anyhow, I had one of my tips go up. I was trying to figure out what it went up to. I know which customer it was, because she had said that, you know, her last time she had to reorder her grocery order from last night because most of her stuff didn't come. Yeah, she increased her tip. I think the original offer was, let me look, $17.57. So almost $2 she increased it. But let me go to the ladies' room. Okay, we are back at Walmart. Another curbside pickup, one single item. I know the dollar amount's not high, however, the mileage is low. So we are going to go and do this. This is it. And the customer's is only 10 minutes away. That is so easy. This has to be the easiest curbside pickup ever. Okay, I have to call it quits because I have grass I gotta cut. I've got a live stream to do on my other channel, but we will go ahead and go over the numbers. On Walmart Spark, I made $46.70. On Instacart, I had that one double shop, $19.44. On DoorDash, $24.70. So that brings my grand total today to $90.84. I worked for 6 hours and I drove 80 miles. So that comes out to $15.14 per hour. Horrible, but it is what it is. It was a slow Wednesday. And my dollar per mile was really bad, $1.14. Now, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I will show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is one of them ugly days in my opinion. But anyhow, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too, and I will see you in the next one.